Self-practice 4.6, question 2. Determine whether the following sets of expressions are similar sets or not similar sets. Right. Actually, right, this one you can just use your calculator. Okay, let's see. 5 Surd 80. 5 Surd 80 is 20 Surd 5. And then we have 2 Surd 58. 2 Surd 58 is just 2 Surd 58. Cannot simplify. And 9 Surd 45 is 27 Surd 5. So Surd 5 is similar, but this is not similar. So A, not similar. Right, B. 3 Surd 3, you can't simplify further. 4 Surd 12 you can. It's also Surd 3. So far Surd 3, Surd 3. 5 Surd 27. Also 50. I mean it's Surd 3. 15 Surd 3. So all of it Surd 3. So this is similar. C. 2 Surd 1 to 5. This is Surd 5. And this one also Surd 5. This one also Surd 5. So it is similar. Okay, D. 2 Surd 12. 2 Surd 12 is 4 Surd 3. Then 9 Surd 24. 18 Surd 6. So this one is Surd 3, Surd 6. So not similar. Right. Last one, E. Surd 27, Surd 27, Surd 3. Okay. So 3 Surd 27 is 9 Surd 3. And negative 3 Surd 27 also should be negative 9 Surd 3 lah. So all also Surd 3, Surd 3, Surd 3. This will be similar.